In this tutorial, you will learn the two methods of calculating running total in Excel. Running total is also called cumulative total. In this data, I have the details of daily sales revenue for December 1st to December 10th. Beside the sales revenue column, I need to calculate the running total, which should calculate the progressive sum. Like if I am calculating running total for 4th of December, total should add 1st to 4th sales revenue. Let's start. In the C5 cell, use the sum function, is equal to sum, open parentheses. In number 1 parameter, put the range reference of B5 to B5. Lock the first B5 cell reference by using dollar symbols. You can do it with a keyboard shortcut, which is F4 key. Now, close the formula with parentheses and hit enter. Then, drag the formula down. This has calculated the running total. Let's look at another method, which is quick analysis tool. First, select the number range where you want to calculate the running total. Soon after selecting the range, a quick analysis tool appears at the bottom right corner of selection. Click on that button. Click on Totals group. There you see two running total option. One is pointing towards down, and another is pointing towards right. We need running total in the right column, so click on the running total to right option. And the running total calculates automatically. If you check the formula, it also used the same formula that we used in method 1. But this method is more quick and easy. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.